This is everything you need to know when planning a feature wall. Hey, my name's Alison. A feature wall can liven up a room dramatically, but creating the right one is important. Let's get into it. Wallpaper is often a statement piece that creates a spotlight in one area. Bright and bold patterns will stand out more and make this statement. And make sure you tie it into the room's design and colour scheme. Another lovely feature to add to the wall is wainscoting. Depending on your space, it might be nice to line it up with a window or fireplace, or even use it as a bed head. It can also be a great way to showcase family photos or art. Scalloped panelling can bring a lot of character to a room. Their size, large arches or small frills, may depend on the size of your space. First, make sure the wall has a base colour you like. Then the panelling is a great way to subtly introduce additional colours to the space. You might like earthy tones, baby blues or pastels. Another idea is adding laminate to features of the room. Incorporating one with a textured feel can add depth to shelving. Matching it with, say, a marble or light timber bench top will make the laminate stand out even more. You can even try different tones and textures of laminate on the wall for a warmer feel. And there you have it. Plenty of tips to create the perfect feature wall. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.